We've made space for the bees. People don't like bees. They've filled our voided space. Bees are necessary. Without bees, we would die. But that doesn't mean people like them. And the buzz? A foreign tongue. People don't like buzzing, the sound of low-level headache. Try a long buzz and see. Wow, maybe that was fun. But still, the sting? The sting is pain. Pain is feeling. I miss feeling. I miss the feeling of another. When this is over, the first thing I shall do is hug someone longer and deeper than I ever have before. If we never disturb the bees, if we let them get on with their jobs, they would never sting. As painful as a sting is for me, to a honeybee, a sting is far worse. A honeybee's sting costs them their life, the ultimate sacrifice. When this is over, I really hope we keep space for the busy bees who keep us alive.